Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. For years, medical device manufacturers globally have navigated the storm of the European Union's MDR and IVDR regulations. The transition has been complex, costly, and a significant barrier to market entry for many innovators. Last week, however, a potentially significant shift occurred. The European Commission officially released a new proposal aimed at simplifying the MDR and IVDR framework. This is the news many in the industry have been waiting for, signaling that regulators are acknowledging the immense pressure these regulations have placed on manufacturers, especially small and medium-sized enterprises. The proposal aims to reduce administrative burdens and streamline conformity assessment processes. Key intentions appear to be clarifying requirements for specific device classifications and potentially easing the documentation load for legacy products. The goal is to create a more sustainable and efficient regulatory environment without compromising patient safety. For a US or Asian startup, this could mean a faster and less expensive path into one of the world's most lucrative markets. For established players, it might offer a chance to reevaluate product portfolios that were previously too costly to update for MDR compliance. This move suggests a maturation of the regulatory framework, moving from a rigid implementation phase to a more responsive, adaptive model. However, the situation is not as simple as it seems. In a fascinating counterpoint, Team NB, the European Association for Medical Device Notified Bodies, released a position paper. While they welcome the move towards simplification, they do not fully agree with the Commission's proposal. The paper highlights concerns regarding certain technical aspects, particularly within Annex 7. Notified bodies are on the front lines of implementation, and their perspective suggests that some proposed simplifications might create ambiguity or could be challenging to audit effectively. This creates a critical tension. On one hand, the Commission is responding to industry needs. On the other, the independent bodies responsible for certification are raising red flags. This development places manufacturers at a crucial juncture. The promise of simplification is here, but it arrives with a new layer of uncertainty. Companies must now watch closely how this proposal evolves and how the dialogue between the Commission and notified bodies unfolds. Strategic decisions made today about market entry, documentation, and compliance must account for this shifting landscape. Navigating these proposed changes and understanding the nuances between the Commission's vision and the notified body's concerns is exactly where expert guidance becomes critical. To ensure your regulatory strategy is prepared for these potential changes and to streamline your access to global markets, you can get in touch with our experts. Please feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at Pure Global's website.